as many times as you can. It is greatly appreciated. Today, as usual, trying to bring value to all of you, bringing intel that is not gonna waste your time. It will definitely improve it and make you better in any possible way. I just wanted to share today a particular topic that it entails, is actually related. It is really important for every single one, every citizen, not only for the United States but the entire world. Because when it comes to technology, it affects us in every single way, to all of us. And it's good to be informed, it's good to know our rights, it's good to keep us vigilantes out there. When something is wrong, we can bring it up and know what to do. Today I want to share not only a grateful class and course, something which is a very important topic, but from where it's gonna be teach, from where the faculty is teaching this course is also something that you gotta take in consideration. NYU. NYU, ladies and gentlemen, is one of the best top-notch university out there. And when I saw the title of the university and the topic that was being taught, I didn't hesitate twice but to bring it up to you, because I knew that you would recognize the institution, how prestigious NYU is. The topic I want to share with you is open justice. This first of its kind course teach you how to use technology, which is really important, data, and innovation to improve our legal system. It showcases innovative open justice projects from around the world and explain how to create your own. I just gotta remind you, this is not a video in where it's gonna teach you how to deal with open justice. It's a video that is gonna tell you about what the course is gonna be about and how can you get it, and the URL will be provided to you on the video description, so you actually can have more feedback about this on your own pace. This course is estimated to be done around 10 weeks, which means that you can invest between 2 to 3 hours per week to finish it. It's self-paced, meaning that you can actually do it at your own time, at any time. You don't have to procrastinate. There's no excuse. You can finish it at that particular time that you're not doing anything, which all of us always have a particular time we're not doing anything. You sleep 8 hours, sleep 7, and invest 1 hour in here. It only requires you to do 2 to 3 hours a week, meaning that you can actually do a little bit more to finish it faster. You understand what I'm trying to say? This course, as usual, it has a section in where you can actually pay for the course. It will be graded, and you're gonna get a diploma certificate in where it's gonna actually be shown as a proof that you actually got certified on this particular course from this particular institution entity. And another section, which is the real reason why I'm here for free, is the one that I believe you should be taking, because I believe that knowledge is something that nobody can take away from you. You take it to the grave, and once you learn this material, you know it. You don't need a diploma in order to go out there and apply this knowledge out there. You don't need a diploma for you to execute what you're gonna learn from this material. So free is a very powerful word, and that's the reason why I'm bringing it to you on this channel, because I always want to provide to my community free stuff that they can take advantage from, because there are many free things out there that can get you in trouble. All right, so moving forward, this section starts on April 28th, which is today, and ends in June 30th. You have plenty of time to deal with it, and they always say that there is one section available, but trust me, there's more than one section available. They just want you to, you know, speed you up for you to take it and fill all the seats, but you're always gonna find that in there. You'll be fine. Okay, about this course, open justice is a growing movement to use new technologies, including big data, digital platform, blockchain, and more, to improve our legal system by making the working of our legal institution easier to understand, scrutinize, and, we hope, improve. Thanks to the new tools, the opportunity to make improvement has never been greater. This course is designed to help the public entrepreneur, passionate individual like you, whether you are a lawyer, a judge, a technologist, or just a concerned citizen, that's what I was trying to tell you about. Anybody can take this course. The course will help you to use new technology to take action to increase efficiency, improve equity, fight corruption, and enhance legitimacy in the third branch of government. This is specifically for here. Instead of long lectures, this online course consists of 10 short modules which will serve as brief introductions to different aspects of open justice. These mini lectures of 10 minutes each are combined with interviews with leading practitioners from around the world who are collecting the data, conducting the analysis, creating the apps, and building the movement that help us all to better know and assert our rights. Oh my God, I'm taking this course. We wish to acknowledge the Commission of the Mexico Federal Electoral Court as a founder of this LLC. Thank you, Mex. Alright, at a glance, the language is gonna be done in English, of course. The video transcript is in English. The subject is related with law. The institution is in NYU X. The level is introductory. There is no prerequisite for you to take this class. What will you learn? Understand what open justice is and why it matters. This is actually specifically for the minorities that are listening to this message. It's really important that you know your rights. Learn the specific ways in which technology has the potential to impact the judicial system and inspire you to be part of the movement and know how to get involved. You know, many people back in the time, they used to do these specific walks in order to, tell the government, makes this type of movement and show the government that we're listening, that we're looking, that we're doing the right thing, that we are out there supporting a cause. This is the new way that is emerging. They want to teach you how to get involved, so instead of going out there, which that will never gonna stop, it's always effective to go out there and do a Pacific march to claim your right to fight for what you think it should be done. I believe it's something that We had to remind the government always that we're only listening and that we're watching and that we know. So they're being observed. So this governmental representative know that we're watching. So they don't actually end up doing things on their own way without knowing that we are watching. But this way is a way that it actually is revolutionary things, and whether by helping others or starting your own project, I mean, it's just changing things. There is a syllabus which I am not gonna go over because it's too much. I don't want to feed you up with too much intel. This is instructor who is gonna be teaching the class. Her name is Beth Novak. Beautiful lady, as you can see, with all the respect. She's a professor, technology, culture, and society at New York University, Dental School of Engineering. If you want to know more about Beth, Mrs. Novak, you can always come and here and read all this and Google her as well, or check in LinkedIn and see more about her background. That's her right there. Very professional, very prepared. The verified track that I was telling you about is $49, and you're gonna have access to this course material limited. Limited means that you will have unlimited access to the course, and after the course ends, you will still have access to the material, but you will no longer be able to submit any grades or assignment to earn a certificate. This is one-time deal only. The audit track, which is a free one that I'm telling you, you may not be able to access to complete the course material, including but not limited to graded and assignment and exams, but you will be able to read the material, which is that's what we're here for, to learn everything. You're not gonna get a certificate, but you will be able to learn everything, which is the main goal. Okay, I'm gonna leave it up to this point, but I just wanted to let you know that this course is really important. Please don't pass it over. It's really short, it's really easy, and it will make you a better citizen. I thought that I should share this with you. Give it a check. If anything, please don't hesitate to let me know. As usual, I'm gonna put the URL down below to the video description of this video, and so you can come in here and check it over all for yourself on your own pace. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Thanks for using FSD for production. Until the next video, because there will be another one for sure. Adios.